Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure to log out from Truecaller. If you want to log out from a Truecaller, then you have to follow these steps. So what you need to do is here, you actually want to go ahead and open up your Truecaller application and log into your account. Then click on the profile initials from the top right. Here you could go and look for any of these options, deleting or deactivating your account. You could go ahead and click on the gear icon as well, but however the Truecaller application nowadays does not have this particular feature, that is deleting or deactivating the account. So there is another way to do it, so that is either by contacting the support team and asking them to delete your account for some privacy concern and all that. Otherwise, if you find that a lengthy procedure, then you could do is long press the Truecaller application, click on the app info icon. Here you want to go to storage and cache, click on clear cache and then go with the clear data as well. After which you actually want to come to this page once again, go to force stop and click on the OK button. As you've done it, so you also want to make sure to look for any of these backup or any sort of thing familiar to it and make sure to disable all that. Once you've actually done it, so what you need to do is here, you want to open up your Truecaller application. You could see that it's completely new, and now you could go ahead and start creating your account as well. So this is one way of logging out from a Truecaller app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.